Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a watermark in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Microsoft Word, and first of all I'm going to add my logo to this document. So I'm going to go to the insert menu, and then I'm going to insert pictures. I'm going to choose this device, and for example I'm going to create a watermark with this Instagram logo. I'm going to tap on insert, and then we can adjust the size of the watermark. I'm just going to make it smaller like this, and then you can right click on the logo and go to the format picture. Okay, and then we're going to make it transparent. You can go to this menu, the picture menu, and then you can increase the transparency. Okay, and you can play around with this transparency. Right, and okay, now it's done. Now the watermark has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a transparent watermark in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.